Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to deposit money into your FX Pro account. First, sign in to your FX Pro account. Click the arrow to expand the menu. Then select Deposit on the left-hand side. You'll see all available deposit methods, including credit or debit card, Google Pay, PayPal, Neteller, Skrill, and bank transfer under Show More. Choose your preferred method, let's say credit or debit card. Enter your card number, expiry date, CVV, and the amount you want to deposit. For example, $200. Click Proceed, and your deposit will be completed. FX Pro charges 0% commission for this method. And that's it. That's how to deposit money into your FX Pro account quickly and easily. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.